Okay. Love it. That drive never gets old. Do you hear outside? Do you hear the birds? Last night, or I think it was Friday night, we heard frogs, like the tree frogs. We heard the tree frogs doing their little rivets, and then yesterday I saw an owl fly into the tree. There's like 2 owls that live here. Brandon's gonna try to hang these string lights today on the patio out here. We're gonna get like a pole or something to put right there and maybe do a fanning type of motion. We'll see. Brandon's here. They say hi.
Hello.
Okay. All right, let's talk about what we're doing to the exterior, how we're gonna make this feel more like a cottage on the outside. One big way to do that is with landscaping, and since we're working on a budget, we decided to do that with plants and flowers, things like that. So I've been researching different types of plants that I feel give off a cottage vibe. We are in zone 7, I believe, here in Williamsburg. If you want to find out what zone you are plant-wise, I'll link a website that I did it on. Super easy, you just type in your zip code and they tell you what zone you're in. But yeah, we're in zone 7 here, and so I picked out a few plants that I liked that were in, you know, that can grow well in zone 7. And also this area that we're in, it doesn't give a ton of sunlight to where our garden beds are. So I needed something that could be shade resistant, as well as we're in a colder temperature. So for perennials, we wanted something more hardy. And these are the ones that I came up with. So the first 2 that I definitely would like to have are called bellflowers. They're purple, very cottagey, very nice. And then another flower that I saw that was really pretty and I thought added a different texture as well as height were coral bells. They're also really great for hummingbirds, and we do get hummingbirds here, so I thought, why not get a plant that can help hummingbirds? The next type of flower is a classic cottage flower to me. They're daisies. I think they'll be so pretty just like cut in vases sometimes once they grow. And
I hated daisies. What are you talking?
Why do you hate daisies?
You hated daisies.
No, I don't like the dyed daisies. Remember, I don't like the store-bought daisies that get dipped and dyed into like the orange and that hot pink and the blues. I'm not a fan personally, especially the green one. Blech. Another one are called Lady's Mantle, and they're more of a border type of plant. What they're described as an elegant landscape edging plant. A path or at the front of a perennial border. I thought that might be pretty. And then also, they are great in part shade and well-drained soil, which we will need. What are you laughing at? Okay, the larger flower types that I really loved and would love to incorporate into the garden beds and just around the cottage in general are chrysanthemums, Rosa meldrifera, I think that's what they're called, and then gardenia jasminoids. So gardenias, roses, and chrysanthemums. I would love to incorporate these 3 so much because they're all in this, you can get them in different shades, but these are like shades of pink that I really like, and also white. Plus they're all really hardy, meaning that they can last longer throughout the seasons and have longer blooms throughout the seasons as well, which is something we're looking for. I also want to do this for our house too, because, so yeah, those are the 3 larger, bushier, more hardy, woodsy type of flowers that I was looking at. And yeah, those are basically, I have all these other ones listed here. I think they might be a little too light, like these mini petunias. Peonies are still one I'm looking at as well. And what are these ones? Bright Eyes Tall Garden Fox. I thought were pretty and great for hummingbirds again. So I'll post the ones that we're going with now so you can see the full layout that we're thinking of plant-wise for the garden. And we're gonna start planting those A, when we get them, and B, when it gets a little warmer. You're supposed to start planting these around the last frost. We're still getting some frosty moments here, so it's coming up. It's coming up quick, but we wanted to plan out what we needed first. Exciting news, we just ordered the TV. I'll post which one we ordered. It's shipping here and should be available for pickup by Friday, which will be back at the Airbnb on Friday anyway. Now I'm gonna be working on a little DIY, the frame that we got. But we actually liked the print that it came with. We just wanted it in a different area and wanted it a little different. So this was something that shipped with something else, and I figured we could use that as a frame. So these board pieces are fine, but I'm going to saw the ends of this off so that it fits the print better. We're gonna paint this guy, wood glue it all up, and go from there. So let's get started. This is very much a don't do what I do situation. Don't do as I do. So this is how it looks when it's gonna be framed. I'm gonna trim this part, of course, but it's looking pretty good so far. He has one post up. Woo! I'll tell you what the idea is. So Brandon put these little eyelets into the posts, and then he's gonna add them all up here as well and string the lights that way in a zigzag formation, right? That's the plan. Eventually we'll hang some over there, but we're more focused on this part right now, making it look super cozy. It's getting chilly, but progress is being made. Look how pretty it looks. Brandon's doing such a good job. Love it. Imagine in the summertime when all of these trees are full and just lush with greenery, these lights, oh my gosh. We have the chairs, obviously there's tools everywhere. Out already with some side tables, a rug. It's an outdoor rug. I don't know if we'll keep it or not, but. It's Saturday, it's gloomy outside, it's rainy. We can't do much at the cottage because a lot of the things we need to finish up are outside. I figured I'd be productive today. Brandon and I just did a workout, and now I'm gonna go to the garden center with my friend Jenny to go shop around for seeds for the plants that I want in the garden, or just like shrubbery. I don't really know yet. I just love this place. So we're gonna go walk around, see if we find anything good, and then I'll give you a haul after. Yes, that's the plan. Let's go. And there's a perennial flat wildflower mix too. Should I just get both of those and like we'll get one of each? Cause like this is all I need, really. It sounds so nice out here. Okay, we're back from the garden center. So I'll just show you guys what I got. First, I got these mini seeds. Oh no, they got wet. All right, this is a perennial and then wildflowers. This is the wildflower shade mix. These ones are specific to partially shaded areas, which we need for the cottage. I also got this blue sage because it was really pretty and different and felt very cottagey to me. And also thought that it would add more of a filler effect to some areas of the garden beds. Then I stumbled upon this great find, both of these. We have the butterfly and hummingbird wildflower mix. It's a 3-in-1 seed fertilizer and soil improvers mix. So I didn't have to add any additives, things like that. Seems super easy to use. Let you know if I like it or not. And then also this perennial wildflower mix. That was really pretty. And they are different flowers, as you can see here. So we're gonna do a good mix of all of these. And then lastly, I got this gardenia plant with the flowers that bloom. There's a bunch of little baby bulbs in here already. So I'm super excited to add this to my office to, you know, grow it a little bit more and then move it to outdoors. That's the plan with that. But that was the haul, super small. Didn't go crazy with anything. We're just vibing right now. But that's all for this video. So we'll see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and we're listing so soon. So soon. So you don't wanna miss it. Bye. What?
There goes the fucking goo going right down the drain.
What? What? Oh, it's not plugged in.